1. Which element has the highest atomic number? A. Uranium. B. Plutonium. C. Oganesson. D. Thorium. Answer: C. Oganesson. 2. Which is the largest freshwater lake in the world by volume? A. Lake Victoria. B. Lake Superior. C. Lake Baikal. D. Lake Michigan. Answer: C. Lake Baikal. 3. Which Indian cricketer is known as the God of Cricket? A. M.S. Dhoni. B. Virat Kohli. C. Sachin Tendulkar. D. Kapil Dev. Answer: C. Sachin Tendulkar. 4. What is the process of turning a solid directly into a gas called? A. Evaporation. B. Condensation. C. Sublimation. D. Deposition. Answer: C. Sublimation. 5. Who wrote the famous play Shakuntala? A. Kalidasa. B. Valmiki. C. Tulsidas. D. Banabhatta. Answer: A. Kalidasa. 6. Which organ in the human body is responsible for producing insulin? A. Liver. B. Pancreas. C. Kidney. D. Stomach. Answer: B. Pancreas. 7. What is the height of Mount Everest? A. 7,884 meters. B. 8,848 meters. C. 8,611 meters. D. 7,200 meters. Answer: B. 8,848 meters. 8. Which is the highest dam in India? A. Bahakar Nangal Dam. B. Terry Dam. C. Sardar Sarovar Dam. D. Hirakud Dam. Answer: B. Terry Dam. 9. What is the main component of the sun? A. Oxygen. B. Hydrogen. C. Helium. D. Nitrogen. Answer: B. Hydrogen. 10. Who is known as the father of geometry? A. Pythagoras. B. Euclid. C. Archimedes. D. Aristotle. Answer: B. Euclid. 11. Which is the largest organelle in a cell? A. Ribosome. B. Mitochondria. C. Nucleus. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. Answer: C. Nucleus. 12. Who is known as the Wizard of Menlo Park? A. Thomas Edison. B. Nikola Tesla. C. Benjamin Franklin. D. Alexander Graham Bell. Answer: A. Thomas Edison. 13. Which Indian scientist is known as the Missile Woman of India? A. Tessie Thomas. B. Kalpana Chawla. C. Sunita Williams. D. Anandi Joshi. Answer: A. Tessie Thomas. 14. Who is the author of the epic Ramayana? A. Tulsidas. B. Vyasa. C. Kalidasa. D. Valmiki. Answer: D. Valmiki. 15. Who founded the Arya Samaj? A. Swami Vivekanand. B. Swami Dayananda Saraswati. C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Answer: B. Swami Dayananda Saraswati. 16. Which Indian monument was built to commemorate soldiers who died in World War I? A. Gateway of India. B. India Gate. C. Red Fort. D. Charminar. Answer: B. India Gate. 17. Who was the first Vice President of India? A. Sardar Patel. B. Rajendra Prasad. C. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. D. B.R. Ambedkar. Answer: C. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. 18. What is the full form of RBI? A. Reserve Bank of India. B. Rural Bank of India. C. Royal Bank of India. D. Regional Bank of India. Answer: A. Reserve Bank of India. 19. Which is the largest railway station in India? A. New Delhi. B. Howrah Junction. C. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. D. Selda. Answer. B. Howrah Junction. 20. Which metal is the best conductor of electricity? A. Copper. B. Silver. C. Gold. D. Aluminum. Answer. B. Silver. 21. Which state in India is famous for the Ajanta and Ellora caves? A. Gujarat. B. Rajasthan. C. Maharashtra. D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer. C. Maharashtra. 22. Which sport is associated with the term ace? A. Cricket. B. Tennis. C. Football. D. Basketball. Answer. B. Tennis. 23. Which element is required for the process of photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Nitrogen. C. Oxygen. D. Sulfur. Answer. A. Carbon dioxide. 24. What is the national song of India? A. Jana Gana Mana. B. Vande Mataram. C. Sare Jahan Se Acha. D. Aaye Meer Watan Ke Logon. Answer. B. Vande Mataram. 25. Which city is the host of Women's Asian Hockey Champions Trophy 2024? A. Rajgir, Bihar. B. Jaipur, Rajasthan. C. Lucknow, UP. D. Indore, MP. Answer. A. Rajgir, Bihar.